The Philippines affirmed the allegiance of peace to Japan and the United States following the celebration of the 8th-year anniversary of the Court of Arbitration ruling in the West Philippine Sea. Here's the details.
The United States of America and Japan expressed solidarity in the Philippines' commemoration of the 8th anniversary of the Court of Arbitration ruling in the South China Sea. During the 8th year of Arbitral Victory event led by the Strat-based ADR, the allied countries of the Philippines in Asia and Indo-Pacific region expressed their support to the award that favors the Philippines in the highly disputed area.
It stands as a milestone for all who seek a prosperous, inclusive, and secure Indo-Pacific region, and who undertake to uphold the rule of law around the world.
In a separate statement, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken emphasized that America continues to be concerned about the assertion of People's Republic of China's so-called territory on the jurisdiction of the Philippines. The White House also calls on China to comply with its 2016 arbitral ruling to avoid its dangerous and disrupting actions in the South China Sea. The Japanese embassy in Manila said that they will continue to cooperate to establish, maintain, and further strengthen the free and open international rules-based order in the law enforcement in the South China Sea.
Japan has consistently reiterated that the tribunal award is final and legally binding on the parties concerned. I deeply commend the Philippines' efforts that paved the way for this historic arbitral award.
The National Security Council, led by Secretary Eduardo Año, said that 8 years ago, David versus Goliath exists in the ocean despite the Philippines' victory in the Court of Arbitration. Año also insisted that the Philippines will primarily comply with international law, such as United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, which serves as a basis for the territorial and maritime entitlements in the South China Sea.
In short, China has no valid claim whatsoever over the extended continental shelf being claimed by Vietnam, the Philippines, and Malaysia. China obviously cannot join the party.
Meanwhile, the Atenito Coalition held a protest to show their support for the Philippines' victory in the part of the ocean that China continues to claim. Alvin Pelabello for EuroTV News.